looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to my third ever move-in day vlog. This year is gonna be different than my other vlogs for a few reasons, but I still wanted to film it because you guys love these videos and I think it'll be a fun day to look back on. So I'm gonna be a junior this year at Syracuse. So the previous 2 years I've moved into dorms. There's like wacko shadows, sorry. Previous years I've moved into dorms, so a lot of incoming freshmen might watch those videos. This year I'm gonna be living in an apartment. But here's the catch, my apartment isn't ready yet to be moved in. So they're putting us in a hotel for 2 or 3 weeks. We don't really know how long. So I'm gonna be moving into the hotel today. Another catch is that move-in day was a few days ago, but this morning at 5:30 a.m. I landed from 3 separate flights coming home from Fiji. So I just hopped in the shower. I have to repack some of the stuff that I packed for Fiji into stuff for school. And before I left for school, I packed for school. So my car is already ready to go. I just have to do kind of the last touches. It's about 7 a.m. right now. I'm gonna pack up my bag, eat breakfast, and then we're gonna head out the door. Before I leave, I wanna show you guys some packages that were waiting for me. This is a Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. This Buxom mascara, which I've used and I love it, so I'm gonna keep it at home for later. Came with this Bum Bum cream, which I've always wanted to try. It's basically just a body cream that I've heard really good things about. This Sunday Riley cream, which I just put on my face. This beautiful Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. It is called that. And then this stunning Morphe palette. Cool. And then Clinique sent me 2 blackhead solutions, which are pretty cool. I tried out the smaller one. And then the M Jewelers sent me some awesome, beautiful personalized jewelry, which I'm gonna bring to school with me if you want to check that out. You guys, I'm so excited to show up to school with this ring. I am making some oatmeal for breakfast before we head out. Yummy. I have peanut butter, chocolate granola from Kind, chia seeds, and hemp hearts. I packed up everything I needed from my Fiji suitcase into this cute little weekender bag, which will be easy to throw in the car. This is from Stella and Dot. So we're gonna finish packing up the car and head out. Yay! We're getting everything. Well, everything is packed in the car. My parents think it's really bad, but it's not as bad as last year. But to their point, I'm only there for 1 semester this year because I'm going abroad second semester, so. Guys, this feral cat has been coming to our house all summer. Hi. And I think it wants to say goodbye before I go to school. Hi, pretty. Oh my God. It's so weird. This cat has literally, it just comes to our door. It knows the front door and the back door. Hi. Oh, you're so interesting. Hi. Oh. No, no, that's my camera. Come here, come here. Hi. Hi. I don't really like cats, but I guess you're a good exception. Hey. Where'd you go? Do you want the milk? Do you want the milk? You're the weirdest little thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, stretch out. It's been a fun summer with you. Bye. You guys, I just slept for that whole ride, but we made it. I'm so happy. We're here in Syracuse. Anyways, we're gonna start bringing some of the stuff up, and then we have to bring other stuff to storage, but let's do it. Moving into a hotel. Alrighty. So Caroline has already moved in, and I think Alex has too. So I'm just gonna start putting my stuff down. This is pretty much everything I'm living with for the next 2-3 weeks. This is our closet space. Okay, it wouldn't be a Margot Lee move-in video if I didn't do the little closet hack, so we're gonna do it. Basically, every year I just make sure that all my stuff that I'm hanging up has already been hung up before I get to school. Everything is ready and good to go. And just like that, we're good. All right, Carol. Okay, so everything is pretty much moved in. This is Caroline's stuff. This is my stuff. This is Alex's stuff, so that's going to a different room. And then these are my clothes, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna organize everything. So I'm gonna try to start to do that now. I have to sort through all of my clothes and figure out where I'm putting those because this hotel doesn't have drawers. So I'm gonna do that now. So since my jewelry stand is going into storage for the apartment, I put everything in paper towels. It was my mom's idea. And folded everything up and wrapped it around cardboard so that it wouldn't get tangled in the ride. I don't know too many college students that are moving into a hotel room, but oh, I look like a bum, but we pretty much moved everything in and I'm all organized. And for the most part, everything fits. We had to get a little creative. I'll show you now, actually, before it gets too dark, and then we're gonna grab some food quickly, get some work done, and then hopefully see my friends, go out to dinner. I'll take you guys along with me, but I'll give you a quick tour of how we organized everything. Walk in, normally, unfortunately, my mom won't be here during the school year, but here's our closet. So this is my stuff on the top. These are my like bras, underwear, whatever. This is my t-shirt stuff, and then pretty much this stuff over is mine, this stuff over is Caroline's. You can tell we have the same taste in clothes. And then down here we have more space to hang stuff. This is Caroline's shoes, and then these are my shoes in here. By the way, if you guys think I'm like hoarding the closet space, this space was unused before I came in, just for the record. Okay, and then when you just go straight, Caroline has her stuff here. This is Alex's stuff, so that's gonna be moved. And then I brought a shelf just because I kind of had an advantage because they told me that there weren't drawers. They didn't know that when they moved in. Here I started to show you, I just organized all my necklaces lying down so they don't get tangled. Realistically, I don't need all this stuff for the next 2 weeks, but I'd rather have it here and know that it's safe than in storage. And then these are just rings and earrings in these. And then I have sunglasses back here, which I'm a little concerned. I thought I had more sunglasses. This is my bed. I have just the boxes that I'm gonna need to repack for the apartment. We're keeping that there. Here we have, I brought this electrical unit because we only have 2 outlets, so that's gonna come in handy. The bathroom, this is the outside bathroom area, and you have a shower. So I just have my makeup here for easy access. And then in here I have kind of my tanners, more makeup, some conditioner, body wash, whatever that I'll be throwing into the shower. And that's that. That's my room. We're gonna go grab some food and get some work done. Okay, so we're headed over. We came to this vegan restaurant called Strong Hearts. They have a campus location, which I've shown you guys, but this is their off-campus location. And I got a vegan egg trick muffin, and it's really good. Look who I'm with. Yay! We are on our way to dinner. We are headed to Possibilities, which is a restaurant downtown with my parents. But this is my first time back on campus. I haven't really felt like I've been back at school since I'm in a hotel.
When we were driving to class today, there were like crowds of people and I hated every second of it.
Wow, yeah. We are getting ready to go out tonight, but I'll end this video tomorrow because I have to do a few more move-in errands tomorrow morning with my parents. So, see you then. Good morning. It is Tuesday and it's my first day of classes as a junior. I have 3 classes today, but I'm with my parents and apparently I have to go get my passport picture done. So, anyways, I'm probably not going to take you guys in. Oh, I'm also getting a P.O. box, which is exciting, but I'm not going to share that because that's just for business stuff. Anyways, I will maybe take you guys with me.